going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Today, we are out and about. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Today, we out with Sub D. Of course, you know, that means food is involved. We're going to go get some pizza. We're going to take advantage of all his research at a place called Grimaldi's. It's supposed to be delicious, originated in Brooklyn, but I'll go into all the details later. Let's go. It's a beautiful day out. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's finally about time we had some nice weather out here in California. It's been raining for a while, so it's good to get out and about. I think the last time I rode with Suburban Delinquent, it's probably been almost a year, man. It has been a minute. Bought a house and everything that goes along with it, yeah, it's just been a while. A real bike. The chopper. It's a fucking. It looked like
you know what? I'm gonna make sure your bike gets a little dirty.
Is it too clean? I mean, look at that. I don't want to dirty my bike. I just cleaned it. I just waxed it. That's no fun, man. Damn, he's making a turn with that thing. I'm assuming that at some point today, we will get lost. Because that's just what happens when Sub D's leading the way. And I'm not going to lie, that happens to me quite often as well. But that's neither here nor there. Like, we don't even have to worry about that. Let's just, forget I even said that. How about that? Let's just forget I said that. And maybe I'll just, nope, we're not getting lost today. Yep, that's what's happening. There are a lot of bikes out today. It's a beautiful day out. Look at that. Oh, look at that thing. That's nice. A lot of dirt bikes out here. Yeah. Oh, shit. Get out the way.
Alright. Take care, buddy.
How's it going?
You watch him? GhostNinja?
Yes.
How's it going, man?
It's excellent. How about you?
Good. Doing great. It's a great day. Oh, look at that. Like a little rat rod. That's cool, man.
All of them, man.
It is really warm. Oh, man, my seat's hot.
It's hot.
Woo! We had a really, big winter with rain. Got out of the drought. So does that mean on the flip side of summer's going to be like an oven, fires everywhere?
Well, that's the thing is, I think we're okay this year. I've actually asked someone that knows about fire. They said, yeah, this is bad.
Yeah.
All kinds of fuel. And I notice it from the dirt bike side because I ride.
Oh, yeah.
It's like super overgrown.
Yeah.
And now it's all starting to die.
Yep.
Well, good news is there's still moisture in the ground and the roots and stuff of the shrubbery. So we're okay, I think, this year.
For the next year.
Next year, all that shit's going to be totally dry out and it's going to burn and
Yeah.
the fires will be totally out of control. Think about it. Look at this. All
I know.
never been here.
Yeah.
The second that shit dries out,
Boom. It's Kindle.
So, but it's going to take a while. They will dry out, and then we're all fine.
Yeah. What is that thing? Is that like a winery? I don't know. That's kind of cool looking. Well, apparently this pizza place that we are headed to is supposed to be real good. I guess it started in the Bronx. Is his light flashing? That was weird. I thought maybe warning for cops, but then he gave us I don't know. Anyways, yeah, this place started in the Bronx, I guess, and supposed to be really, really good. It was a franchise where the owner, well, it was a small store, and then I guess the owner decided to sell it, and it turned into a big franchise. And the owner, I guess, was a little upset. Didn't like what it really turned into. It got all corporate, and you know what happens when a small company, a little mom and pop place, that blows up. It turns into like your McDonald's or something. It becomes really corporate, and he didn't really like that. So I guess an opportunity came up. A shop opened up next door to the actual original place years later, and he bought that place and started a pizza place again. And eventually, there's I guess some gray area. Eventually, at some point in time, they kind of merged or something or another, and he also kind of got the business back and basically took it over. And it is what it is today from that. So it seems like it's still within the family, still has that family vibe, but it's supposed to be very delicious. One of the cool things that I found out about this place, and I've actually never heard of a company that does this, but they match the pH level in the water of what it is in New York so that you have the same water in California, which is, I'm just like, wow, that's attention to detail. That's pretty crazy. So you can imagine that water probably goes into the pizza, so you have that same kind of pizza vibe. So apparently this place, if you want like New York style pizza, this is supposed to be the spot. And so that's why we're checking it out. And there's a lot of history to it. So Sub D, not only does he like going to like places with good food, but he likes the history behind it, the story. If there's a story to tell about a place, it does make the place a little bit better. Like that Watson place, it had a lot of history behind it. Uh-oh. Cops not having none of that. That is actually really... something about bridges. I just love the construction of bridges and the engineering that goes into them. The ones that are like the most simplistic. Like that looks really cool. That's a cool bridge. Valet parking closed. What are we doing? It's not this way. Oh, is it right here? Is that it? Yeah. Grimaldi's. So we park here in the compact. Ugh. I mean, it's right there. That was a long freeway ride.
Well, I feel bad because you've already ridden a long way.
A little bit. But
hopefully
I never understand why anybody would live in LA.
Yeah, it sucks.
It's Sunday. It's 3 o'clock and there's traffic. That's so stupid. Like, that's all I can think about. I'm like, this is so dumb. Like, why? Crust, like you can tell, it's oven. It's in a brick oven. Sure. Anyways, this place was quite delicious. Shout out Sub D. Good call on some amazing pizza.
Finally, not a dud.
Yes, not a dud. Well, I don't think you've ever taken me to a place that was a dud. So delicious. The crust was fucking amazing. Delicious water. And the pizza sauce was amazing. So definitely come check this place out.
I think we're gonna swap bikes for a minute. You're gonna ride old shitbox?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll have a little bit of...
I want to get away from you, man. She's a monster.
All right. Well, I want to get your opinion. What you think? Let's see.
I will. So it's a 2018 GSXS 750.
Yes, sir.
Right on. Any mods besides the bike?
Other than the LED light, the frame, and the fender eliminator kit, nothing else. There's a lot planned, but that's all I got for now.
Well, the only thing I need to warn you about, it's probably going to make a lot of noises that you're not used to. The bike's got 70,000 miles on it, and it's been crashed dozens of times, so... but I promise you it's solid. You're going to be okay. However, my caliper needs to be rebuilt, so this is a little spongy.
Okay.
All right? They're there, but...
Keep that in mind. Yeah.
The rest of it, golden, dude.
All right.
That bike is... There's nothing to it, dude.
The seat's going to be great.
The Louis Moto seat is...
It's going to be great.
You're going to have to get one.
I do.
I know a guy.
You know a guy. Oh, yeah, this is nice, man. This has got some power. Always different riding someone else's bike. So I've ridden his Triumph, and now I've ridden his Suzuki. Definitely a different feel. It's still pretty comfortable. There you go. Damn, that bike looks good. Alright, so yeah, we had lunch or dinner or whatever the fuck it was. That place was delicious. And now we did a little bike swap. Let him try out the GSX. I'm trying out his Suzuki, his 2015 GSX. Pretty fun. Definitely got some power. I love these things. I need to get one of these for that bike. These make such a fucking difference. Oh, he has one of the Scott's ones. I've heard that these are pretty good too. I need to look into it. I need to see if they make one for this. This bike's actually really comfy, especially compared to like the Daytona. The seating position is not as aggressive. I swear the Daytona has like the most aggressive seating position that I've seen in a sports bike. It's just so fucking aggressive. So anytime I get on something else, it's really comfy. And with that, guys, we're going to take off. Big shout out, Sub D. You probably already followed him. Make sure you go check out his channel. Always good content. Always fun riding with you.
I appreciate that.
Always an adventure, man. Always an adventure. So, make sure...
Ask for food, huh?
Make sure to hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell just so you get notified. Go check out his channel. It'll be down below. You can see his version of today's video. Thanks for letting me ride that bike. I love your seat. I need to go get one for this bike. And until next time, guys, hope you guys have a fantastic day, night, whatever time it is you guys are watching this. Have a fantastic day. Peace.